Hello, welcome to this sneak peek of my English 101 course. This course will improve your understanding of English, improve your speaking and spelling skills, boost your confidence, and possibly increase your income potential. The course will be available September 2021. This is a well-organized course. You have lifetime access to the course and all of the updates. You will see amazing results in your English skills. The website will be active at the end of August 2021. You have access to a lot of free downloadable materials. There are some PDFs from some of my YouTube videos and announcements of new videos, materials, and ways to communicate with me. Six modules altogether of fun learning, and you can even print the certificate of completion when you're done. So let's take a peek at all 6 modules. Number 1 is vowels, blends, digraphs, and pronunciations. Module 2, prefix, suffix, compound words, and contractions. Module 3, vocabulary, spelling, and irregular verbs. Module 4, parts of speech and grammar rules. Module 5, types of sentences and punctuation. Last one, Module 6, phrasal verbs, idioms, and colloquials. You will enjoy learning English in this easy-to-follow format, so sign up as soon as you can. It includes the video instruction with downloadable PDFs, lifetime access, instant access to new and exclusive materials, a 7-day satisfaction guarantee, and I do promise I will be updating with additional materials as we go. So please visit the website starting at the end of August. It's casual-english.com. Thank you. Bye for now.